is Nordana Isma.
Hello, my name is Sarnabila binti Muhammad Rizal.
Hello, my name is Nurhafizah binti Muhammad Razali.
My name is Siti Mariam binti Ismail.
Assalamualaikum and good evening to all. Today we will suggest a few items that our client Nawal need. Our client Nawal is a new student UITM. She wants to build her own personal computer and use software such as Microsoft Word, Excel and Access. Plus, she also wants to use Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere and Adobe Director. The personal computer also be able to support large graphic for Nawal to play games and a good sound system for her to watch CD or DVD and a large storage for her to store her files. So for the first is motherboard. We suggest for Nawal to use Dell Optiplex 7020 MT Intel Core 15. So the brand is Dell. So for the MPN is 7020 MT. So for the eBay product ID 1154186729. So for the next is memory 8 GB. Form factor is mini tower, Freedom optical tower, operating system edition home, processor types quad core, storage type hard disk drive, hard disk capacity is 500 GB, processor speed is 3.30 GHz, hardware connectivity is they use USB 2.0, USB 3.0 and hardware connectivity they use USB 2.0, USB 3.0 and VGA. Most flexible for office. Graphic processing type is integrated on board graphics. Then for the price is RM 7,044 ringgit 73 cents.
For computer case, we choose Armageddon Nimbus N5 Aurora Micro ATX Gaming PC case. Name is the model is Micro ATX Gaming PC casing. Is direct to MB USB 3.0 front panel. Have up to 20 RGB light mode. Accommodates up to 300 length graphic cards. SPCC 0.45 fully black steel structure. 1 times USB 3.0 high speed, 2 times USB 2.0 ports, 1 times HD audio ports, 1 time microphone port, 2 times 25 SSD internal drive bay, 3 times 3.5 HDD drive bay, and model of Nimbus N5 Aurora. Okay, for the hardware, we choose graphic card GTX 960 4G, desktop HD video card, independent game video card, graphics card. The category is computer graphics, chip version GTX S450, memory type DDR5, model GTX 960 4G GDDR5, graphics card slot PCI Express 2.0, number of pipelines 192, core frequency 783 mHz, type game level 8nm, product size 22115 cm, memory bandwidth 128 byte, interface VGA, memory capacity 4 GB, core bit width 128 bit, product weight 0.47 kg. Next, for CPU, we choose Intel Pentium Gold. So the brand name is Intel, processors type desktop, series Pentium Gold, name Pentium Gold G5400. So CPU socket type LGA 1151 300 series, core name Coffee Lake, and have L3 cache 4 MB. So they have 64-bit support, hyper-threading support, and memory types DDR4 2400. It also have virtual technology support and for CPU cooler, which is Dell Optiplex 3020, heatsink fan assembly with Sharp 0VHKV3. Brand Dell. The model is O0VHKV3. Type is CPU fan with heatsink. The connection, they have 5 pin. Compatible Dell Optiplex 3020 or 7020 or 9020. Okay, for power supply, we also choose model of Armageddon Voltron Bronze. It have ultra high efficiency, also built in 120 mm with LED light silent fan. Pure power rate 242 watts. They have 4 times SATA, 1 times 20 plus 4 pin motherboard, and 1 times 4 plus 4 pin CPU plus 12V. They also have 1 times 6 plus 2 pin PCIe. Next, for network card, we choose 1000 M PCIe Express Gigabyte Ethernet line. It support plug and play. We choose this for Nawal because she can also transfer rates up to 1000 Mbps and optimize her computer's performance. It also connect faster than ever with this PCI Gigabyte Ethernet network controller card. It's also compliant with PCI Express revision 1.0A. It's also automatic crossover detection and correction supported. For RAM or memory, we choose 8GB memory DDR3 PC3. So memory specifications PC3 12800. Technology DDR3, RAM non-EC. The capacity is 8GB. The material is metal, and they also supply voltage, which is 1.5 voltage. For hard disk, we choose official Western Digital WD Blue, which is 1000 GB, 1 terabyte. So they have SATA 364 MB. So WD Blue storage is designed and manufactured with technology found in WD's original award-winning desktop and mobile hard drives. WD Blue is available in a broad range of entry-level capacities, cage size, form factors, and interfaces. So Nawal can be sure there's a drive that's the perfect fit for her system. For DVD-ROM, we choose SATA interface, the DVD-RW SATA internal drive. So SATA interface, and this is a refurbished A grade. It's also desktop. Okay, the model of DVD-ROM is UCAD VD-RW.
Okay, for the software, we are suggest Nawal to use Windows 10. This is because Windows 10 is the latest Windows, and another that the Windows have the system requirement for this window that have processor that 1 GHz. That means this is more faster than before Windows. Now that's the RAM that this window given is 1 GB. This is for 32 byte or 2 GB for 34 byte. And the hard disk space that this window give is 60 GB for 32 byte. The graphic card that are provided is DirectX 9 or later with Windows Display Driver Model 1.0. And for the display is 800 times 600. Okay, for the next software that I will suggest to Nawal is Microsoft Webinet, or we call it Visual Basic Net. This visual is software that can support the features of object-oriented programming, which this is include encapsulations, polymorphism, and abstraction and iterative. That means this Microsoft is suitable for Nawa because she like to play a game in their computer. Okay, for the system requirement for this software is it include 6 megabyte on system drive. That means 1.5 gig installation to the drive, and the operating system that they are provided is to Windows 2000 operating system is provided to the Windows 2 million, Windows XP, and Windows NT 4.0. And the video that they are speed has 600. Okay, for the processor of the software is they have a PC with a Pentium 2 class processor. Within it provide 550 MHz, and the RAM that have in this window is Windows NT 4.0 workstation. This is 64 megabyte. Okay, next software that we are suggesting to Nawal is Adobe Premiere Pro. Why we are suggesting this Adobe? Because this Adobe is a good Adobe for Nawal to editing their photo, their video, and their... Okay, this is suitable for Nawal to edit their video or to make video games or anything that she like to do. Okay, why as another that the system requirement for this Adobe is first operating system. The operating system they are provided is for Microsoft Windows 10, and this is suitable for Nawal. They are using Windows 10. And to the RAM for this Adobe is 8. For the RAM, they are provided 8 GB for RAM. And the hard disk space, it has 8 GB of available hard disk space for the installation, educational free space requiring during installation. That means we will not install or remove removable flash storage. For the network storage connection is it has the gigabyte internal, and this is for HD only. Okay, the last software that we are suggesting to Nawal is Adobe Director. Why we are suggest this Adobe? Because this Adobe is require less space than many software in the category design and photography software. That means when Nawal using this Adobe, she can require to less their space in their computers. Okay, this Adobe is very popular in the India and the mostly in the Malaysia. That's why we are really suggesting to Nawal to download this Adobe. Okay, next is for the output device. For the output device, we are suggesting to Nawal to use printer. The brand of printer that we are suggesting is Canon Pixma MG3650. The price is 149.
Okay, for input device, scanner, we suggest Canon Scan Lite 300 scanner. The Canon Scan Lite 300 makes documents and photo scanning easy with 10-second fast scanning, 4 eject buttons, and 2400 plus 2400 dpi resolution. The Canon Scan Lite 300 packs great feature in a compact design. And for the features, they are compact and lightweight. It allows the scanners to easily fit into even the smallest spaces and shelf. And it have 4 eject buttons that enable one-touch scannings of documents like PDF or photo originals. And it have advanced Z-lids. The advanced Z-lid can be elevated parallel up to 21mm from the pattern surface, it making quality possible for scanning of bulky books, magazines, or document stacks. And next, it have powers USB connections. It supports power and data transfer directly from a single USB connections, eliminating the need to use a separate or AC power adapter. Mouse, we choose the Talk. It's a gaming mouse that has a body like a Razer Mamba. This gaming mouse has an Omron switch and uses the PixArt BMW3310 sensor that can do up to 5000 dpi resolution. For the key feature, the Talk features that PixArt PWM3310s, which have a tracking speed of 130 IPS and 220 G acceleration that give you more accuracy and speed during each intense situation and during gaming. And it's very good for Nawal because she like to play games in her personal computer. The next is have fully programmable buttons. From assigning hotkeys to resigning function, the Talk has 8 fully programmable keys for you to customize to your preference, and is customizable 16.8 RGB color lighting, and it have 11 adjustable RGB LED effects and 1.8 meter braided cable. Move on to keyboard. We choose Cooler Master CK530 Gaming Mechanical Keyboard. It's a portable, tanky-less format that allows you to take your gear without sacrificing your features and performance. And for the features, they have RGB backlighting. It means that per keys LED with multiple lighting modes, and it provides effect to highlight all your dominating kill streaks for gaming. And it have brushed aluminium design and mechanical switches, and it has its own easy-to-use software. It means that it have on-the-fly controls. It makes real-time adjustment to lightning out and macros with no software necessary. And as I said earlier, it's a portable format with standard layout. It means that 10 keyless format for portability and minimal clutter, all in a standard size layout for key cap customizations. Next, for the headphone, we choose Rumors Gaming headset. For the feature, first, it have true surround sound effect for immersive gaming experience, and next is have ergonomic design and lightweight material for all-day comfort. This is very important for Nawal because she's a student that will use 8 hours per day to use it for her assignments, gaming, or even watching DVD or CD. And Rumors Gaming headset using self-adjusting padding headband, and all covered ear cups with soft memory foams. It give ultra comfortable wearing experience, and it have soft ear cups with bionic protein cushion coat covers that can covers Nawal ears gently for entire day. Next is have multi-platform compatibility for plug and play. It means that Nawal can use it not only for personal computer but can be used to other platforms as well, such as PS4, PS Vita, PSP, Xbox One, and Nintendo Switch. This also can be used on PS3, but they need to have an adapter. Next, it have noise cancelling and anti-static microphone for crystal clear communications. This is because Rumors Gaming headset has a sensitive adjustable microphone using noise cancelling techniques. It filters most environmental noise around and provides real in-time talking without any delay. The anti-static technology inside gaming headphones prevents static sound from happening. This means that Nawal can chat to her fellow players with crystal clarity sounds and enjoy a smooth teamwork play. And the very most important part that we like to hear, that every Rumors Gaming headset will go through a strict quality test process before sending it out. And they promise to bring the best quality gaming headset to their customer. It's meant at the day of the purchase, Rumors Gaming headset offer 12-month warranty to their customer, and every customer ride is fully guaranteed during the warranty period.
For the conclusion, we hope that Nawal will agree with our suggestion.
My mind, she'll make you curse, but see your blessing. She'll rip your shirt.